So I think it was like 2 weeks ago now at this point when my husband and I talked about building these two platforms to finish off the front of the mountain and then adding that board to create more space over in the city. We also talked about adding another table. So we purchased another 4-foot table. Today I added that 4-foot table. So it is this one right here. I set it like this. So by putting it this way, it did a few things for me. It created more space in front of that tall mountain platform, so I can create a hill that will gradually go out into the rest of the village. And then it gave me more space in the farm section, which I was worried I wasn't going to have enough room in the farm section. It also helped me connect the suburbs with the farm section. With adding that table, I had to add more styrofoam base, so I went ahead and cut all that styrofoam base. Now what I have to do is add plastic tablecloth over the ends of these two tables, and then I can start sorting through the rest of my totes and finish the build.